Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I decided to do a video this morning on two-strand twists. I've been wanting to do the two-strand twist for a while. One thing I didn't have and I've never used in my hair are these little black rubber bands. And I knew I needed them if I was going to wear my two-strand twist in my hair for more than one day. I am not going to make you watch as I two-strand twist my hair all the way through. I've done this much of my hair and now I'm going to move to this side. If you see that I have my hands are like this, it's because while I'm two-strand twisting my hair, I'm also adding some of the Mofajang hair wax to it just to darken the twist a little bit. I really like using this on my hair. I also should be doing an update on my hair because I haven't done one, I think, since the 15th month, and now I'm in month 16. And the only real difference that I see in my hair is that now in the front, I can now see a few of the little coils on the end of, that's not the area. It's mostly coiling on this side, more in the front than I did before. You may see just a few. Yeah, because it's been loose. And so I don't know how long my front is going to take to really lock. But and I'm just spraying the water on my hair so that the hair wax can stick to it. It's not a part of the styling process. Just the look of the twist. And I'm not putting the rubber band on too tight. And so this is what the front of my hair looks like. And I realized that I didn't even show you the back of my hair as it relates to what it's doing now since month 15 update, but it's about the same, I think. It's as beautiful as ever. It's long and it is full. Yes. That's the only update I can really give you on my hair, except that it's growing like a weed. It is definitely growing. And for those that think that your hair won't grow, it will grow. There's no reason for your hair not to grow if you really take care of it. I am not going to, again, make you sit here and watch me put these in my hair. But I'm going to show you what I'm doing. It's really a loose two-strand twist. And I just sprayed some water. I'm adding a little bit of the Mofajang hair wax to darken the twist. And then it's a loose two-strand twist. I'm not doing it real tight, coming right on down. Doesn't take a long time to do it. I'll stop about that far from the end. I will take one of the rubber bands, put it down at the end, just as if I was braiding and banding my hair. Fold it up on the end and let the rubber band go. Not too tight, just enough to hold it in place. And you can see what I did on this side. I'm going to finish this side, and I might come back so you can see how it frames my face. But I will also just probably take pictures of what I did in the back and show you at the end of the video. But remember that this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends and family. I love my subscribers. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. And I hope that you are going to have a wonderful day and not let COVID-19 and all that's going on in this world put a damper on your day. We are all overcomers. We are overcomers. Have a good day.